Italian focaccia bread. Is there anything more delicious or addicting than this warm and freshly baked focaccia? Look, it's perfectly crisp from outside and surprisingly soft, fluffy and chewy from inside, topped with olive and herbs. Yum! Let's make it.
Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Take 380 grams of lukewarm water in a beaker and add half teaspoon sugar, 10 gram or 1 tablespoon of instant dry yeast. Mix this yeast in water and let it bloom for 5 minutes. In a large bowl, add 400 grams of all-purpose flour and 100 grams of whole wheat flour, 10 grams salt, and mix these dry ingredients very well. Now add 30 grams of good quality olive oil. Look, the yeast has bloomed and water becomes foamy. Now add all of this in flour mixture and mix it with spatula until it turns into a shaggy and sticky kind of dough. You can see it. Now cover it and do the dough rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can see the holes and air bubbles in the dough. Look how much air is trapped in this dough. Take some lukewarm water in a beaker, dip your hand in it, take a slightly wet hand and pick the dough from underneath, stretch it up and pull it into the center. This is very important technique and it's called stretch and fold. Turn the bowl around and do this process around 5 to 6 times. Be very gentle with folding, let the air bubbles trap in this dough. Once you finish, cover it and do the dough rest for 45 minutes. Look at my dough, it's very puffy. The air bubbles are trapped. Now it's again time for stretch and fold. Be very gentle with this dough and complete the one set of stretching and folding by rotating your dough bowl. You can see the gluten is starting to develop. Now cover it again and let the dough rest for another 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, you have to repeat the process of stretching and folding. Please don't knead this dough with your hands, you just stretch it up and pull into the center. Cover it again for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, look at its turn now, much softer and pillowy. Again, finally repeat the process of stretching and folding. So the air must be trapped in the dough. You can see how much air is trapped in this dough. Finally, take a baking sheet pan. Now in a bowl, I have taken half cup of olive oil and some dried rosemary leaves. Take some generous amount of oil on the baking sheet and spread all over. Take your dough out into the sheet. With your hand, spread it all over the sheet. Initially, it is little difficult to handle because it all sticks together. Then use your fingers to dimple the dough and pour some more olive oil and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I did all this to make it little fancy. You can simply add some olive and red onions. And bake this focaccia bread in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 30 to 35 minutes. Focaccia bread is baked. Apply some more olive oil on top and serve with cheese dip. Enjoy.